Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. It's always a joy to share my favorite recipes with you all. Today we're whipping up something super simple and crazy delicious. You won't believe how easy it is to make this recipe, and it's perfect for any occasion. Can you believe we're making biscuits with just 2 ingredients? It's true. All you need is some self-rising flour and heavy cream. That's it. These biscuits are perfect for those days when you're craving comfort food, but don't want to spend all day in the kitchen. They're fluffy, buttery, and absolutely delicious. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my easy and delicious recipes. I post new videos every week and you won't want to miss them. Let's get cooking. You bet! Get ready to have your minds blown because you only need 2 ingredients for these fluffy, flaky biscuits. That's right, just 2. Imagine the simplicity and convenience of whipping up a batch of delicious biscuits without the hassle of a long list of ingredients. It's almost like magic in your kitchen. This recipe is so easy, you won't believe it until you try it. Just mix the 2 ingredients together, and in no time you'll have a dough ready to bake. It's perfect for those busy mornings or when you need a quick snack. We're talking minimal ingredients, minimal mess, and maximum flavor. No more cluttered countertops or complicated steps. Just pure, simple, and delicious biscuits that everyone will love. These biscuits are perfect for breakfast with some butter and jam, making your mornings extra special. Imagine the warm, buttery goodness melting in your mouth, or as a side dish with your favorite soup or stew. They complement any meal perfectly, adding a touch of homemade comfort to your dining experience. Are you ready to discover the magic of 2-ingredient biscuits? Let's do it! Grab your ingredients and let's get baking. You won't believe how easy and fun it is to make these delightful treats. All right, let's gather our ingredients together. Don't worry, you probably already have these essential staples in your pantry. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. See? I told you it was easy. Just 2 ingredients and you're well on your way to biscuit heaven. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part, baking. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature will help our biscuits rise quickly and develop a beautiful golden crust. Make sure your oven rack is in the center position for even baking. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Baking is all about having fun and getting a little messy, so don't be afraid to dive right in. In a large bowl, gently combine the self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. Stir until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the biscuits tough instead of light and fluffy. The dough should be slightly sticky but manageable. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for just a minute. This helps to bring the dough together without developing too much gluten, which can make the biscuits chewy. Be gentle and use a light touch. Pat the dough out to about 1 inch thick and use a biscuit cutter or a glass to cut out your biscuits. Press straight down without twisting to ensure the biscuits rise evenly. Gather the scraps and gently pat them out again to cut more biscuits. Place the biscuits on an ungreased baking sheet, making sure they are close but not touching. This helps them rise upwards instead of spreading out. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and delicious. And there you have it. Beautiful golden brown biscuits that are perfect for any occasion. They smell amazing, don't they? Let the biscuits cool for a few minutes before serving. This allows them to set and makes them easier to handle. Enjoy them warm with butter, jam, or your favorite spread. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes. Your support means the world to me and helps me create more content for you. Until next time, happy baking and see you in the next video.